specter of Chinese investment in their states or the promise of more Chinese jobs or more jobs that China funds in their states, that almost never comes to pass. And in the end, as you say, they usually steal technology and take it back to China. I mean, I just heard a story this week of a small business in the small business in the food processing sector that agreed to open a facility in China, and now is getting continually squeezed by them, trying to turn over their technology, cut their profit margins, so on and so forth. You should be very leery about going into business with China.
I will be. I promise not to, and I'm sure you took a vow of poverty as well. So we're willing to make it with the American manufacturing and keeping our principles together. Senator Tom Cotton, you have 2 senators to elect, like you have nothing else to do. Get it done.
All right. Thank you, Brian.
All right, go get them. 1-866-408-7669.
Newsmakers and newsbreakers. Hear it first, only on the Brian Kilmeade Show.
Now, the 3 big things you need to know, powered by Safe Touch Security.
Chilly air will stick around throughout the day today, and then we can expect our second inland freeze overnight tonight. Today is Jacksonville's annual Christmas tree lighting ceremony. It will look a little different, though, as families are being encouraged to enjoy the tradition from home. New competitions are coming to the Paris Olympics in 2024. They include skateboarding, sport climbing, surfing, and even breakdancing. I'm Jeremy Ratliff.
Today's news moves fast. WOKV makes it easy for you to stay informed with the 3 big things you need to know, powered by Safe Touch Security. On air, online, and now in your email. Get it delivered straight to your inbox every day when you sign up at WOKV.com.
And know that it's dangerous. And you may also know exposure to asbestos is the only known cause of mesothelioma, a deadly cancer. People who were exposed to asbestos decades ago are being diagnosed to this day with mesothelioma. That's because it can take as many as 30 to 50 years to develop. But did you also know there is money to pay victims of asbestos exposure from years ago? An estimated $30 billion is available to help compensate victims and their families. If you or a member of your family have been diagnosed with mesothelioma, you may also be able to receive some of this money without ever going to court or filing a lawsuit. Get a free legal review today. Call Sokolov Law at 1-800-883-6464. That number again, 1-800-883-6464. That's 1-800-883-6464. Call today. That number again, 1-800-883-6464. 1-800-883-6464.
Omaha Steaks is the can't-miss holiday gift. Celebrate with the deluxe grillers assortment. Perfectly aged top sirloins, juicy chicken breasts, creamy sides, our famous desserts, and for a limited time, get 4 free burgers and a free digital meat thermometer. The holiday season is finally here. Make it worth the wait. Go to omahasteaks.com and type sizzle in the search bar. Omaha Steaks isn't just steak. It's a guaranteed fantastic gift and a safe way to share the joy of the season. Go to omahasteaks.com and type sizzle in the search bar today.
Sales are rising quickly, but without another lead baker, Dale's Bakery is going to feel the heat.
Hey, you're baking alone today. I have to handle this order for the restaurant down the street.
Cool, but who's going to handle the pastries? He needs to hire.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do. The moment you sponsor a job on Indeed, you get a short list of quality candidates from our resume database. Indeed delivers 2.5 times more hires than the other branded job sites combined, according to Breezy HR 2019. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get a $75 credit for your first job post. Terms and conditions apply.
Happy holidays from the team at CGC Water. This holiday season, our gift to you is clean drinking water. A Connecticut system from CGC Water removes up to 99% of contaminants. That's clean. Right now, CGC Water is offering a free A200 reverse osmosis drinking water system with the purchase of a Connecticut Premier Softener. If you are still not filtering your water, you are the filter. Schedule your free water test today and get peace of mind knowing your family's water is safe water. CGC is still taking extra precautions with in-home visits and continuing to follow CDC guidelines. Remember this limited time offer, a free A200 reverse osmosis drinking water system with the purchase of a Connecticut Premier Softener. Special holiday financing available for a limited time with approved credit. Call 904-552-1242 for details or visit cgcwater.com. Serving Northeast Florida and Southeast Georgia. CGC Water Treatment, your local independent Connecticut dealer. Have a happy and safe holiday season.
Has a little blue pill let you down? Our expert medical staff at mymansclinic.com can and will help. Guys, if you're suffering from ED, we can fix it. Even if you have tried Viagra and other drugs and they've failed you, we will help. Studies have shown that we offer the most